Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm back with another video, a recipe. It's a breakfast recipe, so let's get started quickly. I will light the gas and keep it on high flame. And this is the creamy mushroom omelette. So let me add some clarified butter in this. So this is going to be a high fat, low carb breakfast food, and if you're familiar with the ketogenic diet or the ketogenic food, then you will be aware that in this video, in this recipe of mine, I'll be using a lot of fat like ghee, the clarified butter, and cheese and cream. So let's add the onions. So I've added around one medium sized onion. So I'll add some butter into this and let it braise on medium flame. I'll add some more butter and give this a good mix. So it's time to add some ginger garlic paste. You can also add the finely chopped ginger and garlic, or you can add the ginger garlic paste. I've added around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give this a good mix. So like after 2 minutes, once the onions are sauteed well, it's time to add the mushrooms. And these mushrooms are cut finely. I'm using the button mushrooms, and give this a good mix. So there goes some more butter. I must say that this recipe of mine is a very good start for your day, a very good breakfast meal. It's a wholesome meal because it consists of so much amount of fat. If you are aware of the ketogenic diet, so this will give you energy for your entire day. So much amount of fat in the form of butter, clarified butter is being used, and the veggies in this, the onions and the mushrooms, and also the egg which I'll be adding in this omelette is a complete meal and full of good nutrients and protein. So you will get everything that one needs for a healthy diet and meal. So mushrooms don't take much time to cook. They are very tender and it just needs to be braised a little bit in the butter or oil just for a few minutes, and it will be done in a minute or two. So you just don't need to overcook them that they shrink, but just little bit. It's supposed to be braised in some butter or ghee. So I'm adding some amount of pepper, which will add to the flavor and also add to its spicy taste, and give this a good nice mix. I'll add some salt, just a pinch of salt will do good. And this is the cream that I'll be adding. This is I've removed from the milk, so around 1 tablespoonful of cream. Give this a nice good mix. You can use the ready-made Amul cream, which is very good. It comes in a Tetra pack, or you can use the cream from a local dairy. The cream that I have used is, I have skimmed it out from the milk, so I use the high fat milk, so I get a lot of amount of cream, and that's the cream which I have added in this. So give this a nice good mix and it's done. I'll just put the gas off and till it little bit cools down, and I empty it into another dish. I'll prepare the batter for the omelette. So I'll just empty this into another bowl because we need the pan for the omelette. So I'm going to break 2 eggs. I'm going to add some pepper powder, just a small pinch of salt, freshly cut coriander leaves. So give this a good mix, and I'm going to add two tablespoons of milk. Give this a good mix. Just light the gas on and spread some oil. I've spread some coconut oil. So once it gets hot, we'll just spread this egg batter. And just keep spreading it like this so that it gets spread evenly, and not only in the center and thick, but it gets spread evenly. And let this be on low flame, medium to low flame, and we'll spread this mushroom on this. And I'll spread some cheese on this. That's good amount of some cheese. It's 1 cube of Amul cheese which I have spread. So I think that's done. So let me just turn this over this. So guys, so it's got a nice golden brown crust, and this makes really a heavy meal because I've added a lot of quantity of mushroom in this. You can make your little variation by increasing the quantity of eggs. Make the batter of 3 eggs, and also decrease the quantity of mushrooms depending on the number of people that are going to have this. So let me just empty this on a plate. So this makes a nice heavy breakfast for 2. So let me just divide it into 2. And you can make your variations by increasing the quantity of eggs in the batter and decreasing the quantity of mushrooms being added, or you can make your own variations. So this makes a nice, good, heavy, wholesome breakfast for 2. So guys, there it's ready. It looks so tempting and yummy with so much of cheese, butter, cream being used, and the mushrooms, and also the spice. I've added pepper. It's got a nice crispy golden crust on it and looks so yummy. So omelette is the staple breakfast of so many people around the world, and definitely when we try out some variations in the omelette by adding some vegetables in it and a lot of cheese, butter, and making variations in it, then it's very nice to have some variety. So this makes a high fat, low carb diet meal, a healthy recipe, and this is one of the videos of my series of online healthy recipes which I'll be making. It's the high fat, low carb food. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe because you'll find a lot of variety of stuff coming up. And definitely, if you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and share it with everyone. And also don't forget to drop your comments below in the comment section, and you'll find all the ingredients that I've used in this video for your convenience. It's in the description box below, so you can refer to that. And yes, stay updated. Hit the bell icon for my regular notification. Whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.